Welcome to Southern CrossGO. My name's Grant, and today in this video we're just going to check out 3 different Warungs around the west coast, around Legian and Pemogan area. It's not so far from the beach, it's not so far to get to, so let's go and check out these Warungs. So this next one is Warung NGANGENIN. It's right nearly on the corner of Sunset Road and Jalan Imam Bonjol. As you can see, it's only a couple of kilometres from the beach as well. It's really worth checking out. Warung NGANGENIN. Okay, so we're going to check out this Warung. It's on Jalan Imam Bonjol, right next to Sunset Road traffic lights. I suppose you could call it Legian maybe. NGANGENIN, PONDOK NGANGENIN. Authentic food, I think it's a Jogja restaurant. So go in and check it out. So it really is a lovely Warung, this one. There's all hand-carved beams and antiques everywhere. There's like board games on the tables if you want to play board games. And yeah, it's a nice place. It's very peaceful. The food is absolutely unreal. So if you're in this area, make sure you check it out. It's a great little Warung. So while we're in here, Yuli did some modelling shots for her caftans and kimonos she sells. You can find them on Shopee Network, and if you're in Bali on holidays, you can always have a grab delivery. So Shopee Network, Ramiani Collections. Okay, so this is Jogja style food. So this is fried tempeh, and we've got some white rice. And this is more like bakso in a bowl of sambal, and you might as well just dip it in the sambal. Soto. Okay. So this is my soto soup, which is like chicken turmeric based soup with noodles and egg and tomato, and yeah, you can put some rice in it. It's Jogja style soto. And here we have like a red tea, which is set. It's bright red. It's like a red tea. You can see it, you can pour it. Oh, it's hot. This is made from flour, some sort of flour. Yeah, I'll find out what sort of flour, but yeah. Look at the size of them for an iced tea, they're absolutely massive, which is good. Okay, so Yuli got a dish called Salak Solo, and it's more or less vegetables and that with some beef in the middle. Yeah, and it's like in a soupy sort of thing, yeah. Looks very nice actually. Sort of like a stewy soup, yeah. Salak Solo. So all of that was about $12, about 120,000, which is pretty good for 3 of us to eat. We all had a tea each and the hot herbal tea and yeah, and a meal. So it's pretty good. So I'll leave the Google Map link in the description. ENAKKO, it is a barbecue chicken place like rotisserie chickens. It's really good. It's on Jalan Raya Pemogan, and it's probably, as you can see, about 3 or 4 kilometres from the beach at Padman Street. Yeah, it's really worth checking out. Okay, so hari ini kita mau makan ayam panggang, or ayam guling, rotisserie chicken. Look at that. We're on Raya Pemogan, Jalan Raya Pemogan, in Pemogan. And we thought we'd come down and just get a chicken. Look at that, looks good. It's a new shop. I'll leave a link in the description. ENAKKO. Chicken, you can buy dishes like rice and chicken with a drink, and 19,000, very cheap. Okay, so this is the menu. Quarter chicken 21, half a chicken 35, a whole chicken 65,000. $6.50. Alright, I'm going to go in and get one, try it out. Alright, so you get like sets with biryani rice and drinks. We're going to get this one, 4 rices, a whole chicken and 4 drinks for $9, 89,000. Okay, so it's busy in here. We've got little tables where you can sit down and eat. And yeah, you just order and you can eat here or takeaway. We're just going to get takeaway. So we're just going to wait for our order. So this is Jalan Raya Pemogan. Check out this temple across the road, will you? How unreal is this? So this we got 2 iced teas, 2 hot teas, 4 rices, and it's like a biryani style rice, like a spiced rice, and a whole barbecue chicken. Pretty good for $9, yeah? Very good. So this next warung is NASI, PECEL, PINCUK. As you can see, it's not far from the beach, about 2 or 3 kilometres. It's in Jalan Teman Punching. It's right next to the canal, and yeah, it's really worth checking out. Alright, so we're down here, a little warung on Jalan Teman Punching, and we're going to get some PECEL. I'm going to get some prawns and chicken. And what are you going to get? Nasi PECEL, all right, AYAM? Chicken?
Yeah, chicken and...
So it's just a typical little warung. There's a lot of grab food here. And when we get home I'll show you what PECEL is. It's more or less like a peanut sauce, but it's not a thick peanut sauce, it's more like sambal, peanut flavoured sambal sort of thing. So it's hot and spicy and it's really good. So let's check it out when we get home. So the 2 prawn PECELs, it was 36 hours, it's about $3.60, the 2 of us. Get PINCUK with it. Okay, so the PECEL, this is what we got. These are like sort of little PINCUK things, little packets you get with it. Alright, chicken and prawn. That's chicken. You get 2 little packets of the PECEL. It's like sauce, it's like peanut sauce and sambal mixed together sort of thing. So I'll show you what you get. It's just basic street food. Can you open that, please? Okay, so you get rice, get a percadel, you get all these little prawns, little fried prawns, and some shredded chicken, and a bit of spinach, might be tapioca leaf or something, and some bean sprouts. And then we've got the PECEL sauce, which is really good. You can really taste the peanuts, and also it's very spicy. So, good stuff. $3.50 for both of us.